Meet the future giants, the Jumbo Tosai.
A jumbo tosai is twice the size of a normal one-year-old koi. They reach over 40 centimeters in just their first year.
Look for a broad head and wide shoulders to support future growth.
A thick tail tube is the engine for a 1-meter monster.
Body should be tall and thick, not thin like a snake.
A strong current helps jumbo tosai build the necessary muscle. They require high-protein food to maintain their rapid growth.
Fast growth can sometimes make the colors look thin on a jumbo tosai.
With the right genes, this fish will become a legendary 90-centimeter champion.
Deep water is essential for jumbo tosai to reach full potential.
A perfectly straight spine is vital for carrying heavy weight later.
Good skin luster proves the fish is healthy and growing well. A large mouth indicates a fish that is born to eat and grow. They naturally become the king of the pond.
Purity of color is still important, even in giants.
The red color will thicken and deepen as the fish matures.
Black sumi will rise and finish after the body has grown.
Always track the growth of your jumbo tosai monthly.
Balance between size and elegance is the mark of quality.
They search for food constantly to fuel their massive frames. Jumbo tosai look impressive from every angle.
Alert eyes mean the fish is smart and healthy. Gills must be perfect to oxygenate such a large body. A single jumbo tosai can be the center of your collection.
They are intelligent and can recognize their caregivers.
Always quarantine high-value jumbo tosai carefully.
Clay minerals help maintain the skin during growth spurts. Blue makes the massive body of the jumbo tosai pop. Resting allows the skeleton to grow without stress.
Their power is immense. Keep your pond covered.
Strong fins are needed to navigate a deep pond.
Symmetry is key for a future grand champion.
At 1 year, they are already as big as some 3-year-olds.
Maximum oxygen is required for maximum growth.
Hand feeding builds a bond with your future giant.
A clean, healthy belly is a sign of a good breeder.
A group of jumbo tocci is a sight to behold.
A tall dorsal fin shows the fish's dominance and health.
Unstoppable momentum in every stroke.
Watch the light reflect off their massive scales. The gill covers should be broad and clean.
The tail fin is the propeller of the giant.
Look for volume and depth, not just length.
Intelligence and size go hand in hand.
Transparency of water is key to enjoying your jumbo.
Shipping a jumbo tocci requires expert care. Welcome to your new home, giant. Even giants need their beauty sleep. Morning starts with a big appetite.
Color can break if the fish grows too fast. Be patient.
Good quality color will always return as growth slows.
It is living art on a grand scale.
Can you imagine this fish reaching 1 meter?
Let's see the kurzen from any of the whale. Each scale is like a precious gemstone.
Power and grace in every move. Set a routine for healthy growth. Barbels help them navigate and find food. They are the gold standard of koi keeping.
Jumbo tocci are an investment in time and beauty.
This is a future grand champion.
Origins to end in. A wide belly shows it can hold a lot of food for growth.
The path to greatness starts here.
Accept nothing less than a jumbo. Stability and balance at any speed.
Keep them active and engaged.
Track the journey from 40 centimeters to 100 centimeters.
Find peace in their massive presence.
Quality skin luster is the sign of a healthy giant.
Silk pupae provide the extra protein they love.
Look at the power in that tail.
High oxygen levels keep them energetic.
Every detail matters in a jumbo.
They have a weight that commands respect.
A mix of giants in one pond.
A broad forehead is a sign of a large frame.
They are the lords of the underwater garden. Weight is just as important as length.
Nesting is part of the growing process.
Ready for the next round of growth.
Giant colors for a giant pond.
Greeting. Are you ready to raise a giant?
One beat of the tail pushes them far.
Vibrancy and size, the ultimate combination.
Check the girth. It should be wide and round.
Clear water shows off their massive bodies.
Engineered by nature to be big.
Deep red pigment that will last for years.
Beauty that moves with power.
The journey to 1 meter begins today.
Elegance in every kilogram.
They know where the fresh water is.
Create your own empire of giants.
If you want Jumbo Koi, like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell for more Jumbo growth tips.
What is the biggest koi you have ever owned? Comment below.
This is the aquatic lie.
Happy koi keeping.
The aquatic leaf